USDCAD today analysis. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video we'll talk about dollar against Canadian. So before we start the video, if you're new to the channel, then make sure you subscribe, like and share. And below the video you will find a link per se Sunlaka Pro. So you click on this Sunlaka Pro link and come to this page right here where you can check out these recent setups and trades we have taken, and then you can join this program if you want to enter and exit with me. And then you can book consultation here. If you want to speak to me one-to-one, you can book consultation, and you can always join my free Telegram. So get into my Telegram, and let's start the top-down approach with weekly time frame. Weekly, we are kind of maybe it's a pullback, maybe it's a downtrend. We don't know yet because I think we should touch. Let me see. This is what this is. Hang on. Okay, yeah, we should touch the EMA. So we should touch the EMA, and let's come back to Delhi. Delhi already below the we are below the EMA already in Delhi. 4 hour is below the EMA. 2 time frames in 4 hour and Delhi we are below the EMA. So look for shorts after the pullback in 4 hour. Okay, weekly I'm telling you possibly is it will touch the EMA. Okay, 4 hour you just have to find the entry. So wait for pullback and then go down. Right now we have made a new low, so you have to wait for a precise entry. Trend is down. Look for shorts, USDCAD if you want to trade it. Otherwise you can trade Euro USD and GBP USD. Analysis is one thing, and precise entry and exit is a different thing. So if you want to enter and exit with me, join this program, subscribe, like and share. Till then, take care.